nakapag-avail na nito? Meron na po bang nakapag-avail? Okay, so meron na, no? So, kung wala pa, no, we are continuing it this year, no? The free AA Vitality Health Check. Simply book an appointment, no, with a high precision diagnostics or Medicard, no, and avail of the free EAA Vitality Health Check. Ano pong kasama sa free EAA Vitality Health Check? Apat po yan. BMI, blood pressure, glucose, and cholesterol. And by doing the Vitality Health Check, you can earn up to 10,000 AIA Vitality points. Okay, so libre po yan, yung health check na yan, no? Unlimited, no? Just visit, no? Any Medicard. Opo, unlimited po to, no? But again, take note lang that you can only earn points, no? Once per membership year po para sa ating AIA Vitality Health Check. Okay, so just book an appointment po ha sa pinakamalapit na HPB or FSC. Next po is the How Healthy Are You Instant Bonus. So, hindi ko alam kung familiar din sa mga hindi pa Vitality member dyan or kung meron kayong bagong Vitality member na client, no? If they answer the How Healthy Are You, no, assessment for the very first time, they will get 100 pesos e-gift voucher. So see, How Healthy Are You, no, assessment is an online assessment available in the AIA Vitality app. Napakasimple, no, sasagutin lang and then automatically they will get 100 e-gift voucher plus 500 AIA Vitality. Okay? So I'll skip this, no? Next is the team challenge. Sino po ang nagti-team challenge dito? Meron po ba? Wala rin. O sige, sino na lang ang nag-weekly challenge? Sino yung nag-win ng weekly rewards? So yung tigo 100 kada linggo. So meron naman, no? So yung team challenge no, is connected to the weekly challenge, no? So kung hindi po kayo familiar, so dito sa Vitality, sa team challenge natin no, you can form a team of 6 members, including you, no? Kasama po kayo dun sa team of 6, no? So what happens po, paano po makukuha yung additional 100 pesos e-gift voucher? So kung kayo pong lahat sa inyong team, no, ay ma-hit ang inyong respective weekly goals, no? So you as the leader will get the additional 100. So suma total, no, in 1 week, pwede ka maka 200 pesos e-gift voucher as the leader, no? So all of you, no, everyone can become a leader, okay? So lahat po tayo may chance na sumali dito sa ating team challenge, okay? And ito ang pinakagusto ko, no, is our move up a status bonus. Sige, pause, check muna tayo, no? Sino dito ang platinum na sa Vitality?
Last year.
Last year. Okay. Sino dito ang gold? Sino ang gold? Ayan, si Miss Jenko, gold. Sino po ang silver? Okay, maraming silver. Hindi ko na tatanungin yung bronze. Okay. So did you know that when you move up from one status to another in AIA Vitality, you also get e-gift vouchers. So listen up, no? Kung nasa bronze pa kayo ngayon, no? If you move from bronze to silver, you will get 200 pesos e-gift voucher. If you move from silver to gold, you get 500 no e-gift voucher. But if you move from gold to platinum, you get 1,200 e-gift voucher. So kung nasa bronze ka ngayon at nag-move ka to platinum, so that's a total of 1,900. Magkano ang membership fee ni Vitality? 1,200 lang. So bawing-bawi po yung binayad na membership fee ng ating members if they move up to a higher status. So importante po, no, na we encourage our members, no, our customers po, na they move to a higher status, no, para mabawi po nila yung kanilang membership fee. Not only, no, they earn the rewards, but they also, more importantly, no, they live healthier, longer, better. Okay? So yan po ang ating move up a status bonus. And last but not the least, no, na campaigns for our members is our Ideal Vision benefit. So before po, yung benefit natin is magkaiba po siya depende sa status. No? Kung bronze po, 25% off. And then pag silver and above, 30%. But this year, no, beginning February 1, standardized na po siya regardless of status. So 30% na po siya, no, regardless kung bronze, silver, gold, or platinum po kayo. So full details, no, of all the campaigns na diniscuss ko, no, is already available in the agency portal. So punta po kayo sa Vitality section ng agency portal. Full memo, no, of these campaigns available na po. Questions po so far dun sa mga campaigns? Sige. So yun yung mga campaigns for our members. No, more to come, no, as mentioned, because again, 10th year to the Vitality. So what we promise you for our 10th year, new partners, no? So expect new partners with wide geographical presence. No? So, basta isip na lang kayo dyan kung sino pang may wide geographical presence dyan. Second, no, better benefits and rewards no, for our members. No? And syempre, new points earning activities. Mas mapadali yung pag-earn ng points sa ating members. So yan po, abangan ninyo no, in the coming months. Okay, so let's now go on to the campaigns no, for our life planners. So meron kaming tatlo. No, we have 3 campaigns for you. No? So una, yung first 2 is related to Pinnacle Awards. And then the third one is a tactical onboarding campaign no, wherein we will give you GCash vouchers no, by if you get to help your clients no, help them on board properly to AIA Vitality. So daanan po natin no, yung mga campaigns. So let's start with our AIA Vitality Sales Champions. And as already mentioned earlier, no, so I would like to congratulate again no, Starbright no, for being our top agency no, for Vitality for 2024. And syempre si Gerald, no, so congratulations. And top, ano nga kayo SUM, no? Top SUM. Syempre nakalimutan ko na kasi wala ako dun. So congratulations. Pero baka naman po natin ang mga sarili no. Ito na, it's time to defend the crown this 2025. No? So discuss po natin no, yung mechanics ng ating AIA Vitality Sales Champion. So this will cover production from January 1 to December 31, 2025. So simple lang naman po yung award natin. No? Kung sino po yung makakabenta ng pinakamaraming Vitality Integrated Product. So yun lang po, ganun kasimple no, across our 8 categories. No? So meron tayong 8 categories, no? Advisor Rookie, Advisor Tenured, UM Rookie, UM Tenured, SUM, EUM, Agency Manager, and District Manager category. So we will only award the top national. So yung pinakamataas na po sa buong AIAPH, sila po ang mananalo sa award natin. Take note lang na meron tayong entry requirements no, for you to vie for this award. No? So kung kayo ay nangangarap na maging pinaka-awardee, no, take note of the entry requirement. So kung kayo po ay advisor rookie, at least 25 Vitality Integrated Product case na. But again, no, yung contest natin ay padamihan, no? So hindi pwedeng hanggang 25 lang. No? So kung gusto mong i-defend ng Starbright ang inyong Corona, at least 300 Vitality Integrated Products. Kaya di ba? Kaya naman. Kaya yan. No? Pero syempre, yung contest natin again is padamihan po ng Vitality Integrated Products. And syempre, meron tayong mga persistency requirements. No? So please make sure na yung mga binibenta yung IPI, persistent no? Or hindi po siya naglalapse. No? Kasi titignan po natin yan no? When we do our final computation. Okay, so our awardees no, will get the following: individual awarding, 1 night room stay, no, 1 dinner seat, tsaka trophy. So yan po ang ating Vitality Sales Champion. So Starbright, aasahan ko ba na magkikita tayo sa susunod na awards night? Yes. So sana marami po sa inyo no, ang manalo at mag-qualify dito sa ating Vitality Sales Champions. Okay, next. So para naman tong next award natin, sa Pinnacle ulit, no? Pero ito, para to sa mga life planners no, na ini-engage yung kanilang mga customers sa Vitality. So hindi lang sapat na nagbenta ng integrated product. Itong next award, Pinnacle din to. Pero para to sa mga life planners na mini-make sure na nag-earn ng points yung kanilang mga kliyente sa Vitality. Okay, so ito yung tinatawag natin AIA Vitality Engagement Champions. So daanan natin yung mechanics kasi medyo complex to ng konti ha. Hindi na to, di kumpenta lang. So the campaign period no, will run from January 1 no, to December 31, 2025. Ngayon, meron tayong 3 tiers no, or 3 levels. So yung 3 levels is based on the number of in-force Vitality clients na meron kayo by the end of the campaign period. So tier 1 no, is kung meron kayong 30 to 40 Vitality members na clients, so pwede nyo isipin na ilan na ba yung clients ng Vitality ngayon? No?
Existing yan, hindi bagong beta.
Hindi po bagong beta, including existing. No? So yung mga lumang-luma yung client no, na buhay pa rin yung Vitality. No? So isipin nyo na sila, no? Ito na yung chance na balikan sila no? At para i-engage sila dito sa ating campaign. Tier 2 is for 41 to 60. No? Kung 41 to 60 yung Vitality clients mo, dito ka sa Tier 2. Tier 3 naman, 61 and above. So again, no, titignan natin yung tiering no, by the end of the campaign period. Kasi magbibenta pa kayo eh. Kukuha pa kayo ng mga bagong Vitality members. So sa campaign na to, no, the top 3 per tier po ang ating aawardan. Top 3 na merong pinakamataas na 12-month no, Vitality Client Engagement Rate. So ito na, ipo-compute ko na to. No? I-define na natin no, yung 12-month no, Client Vitality Engagement Rate. No? So for the purpose of this contest, no, ang definition natin ng engagement ay basta nag-earn ka lang ng points sa buwan na yan. Okay? So no matter how big or small yung points, kahit 5 points per slip lang yan, counted as engaged na yung client mo. Halimbawa, ngayong buwan, March, so yung client mo, naka 5 points kasi natulog siya ng 7 hours or for 1 day, automatic tag as engaged na yon. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple yung ating mechanics, no? So dapat, correct, no? Face scan. So ito yung tatandaan nyo, make sure nyo lang na yung clients nyo nag-earn ng points sa Vitality. Ganun lang kasimple. No? So now, how do we compute no, for the 12-month no, average Vitality client engagement rate? So every month, no, titignan natin ilan yung in-force clients inyo. So lahat ng mga ahente ng AIA, no, titignan natin ilan yung in-force. At sa in-force na yon, ilan yung engaged, no, or ilan yung nag-earn ng points. No? So yan yung second row po. And then, we'll compute for the engagement rate. So engagement rate is basically no, the number of engaged members divided by the total number of in-force Vitality members. So that's the engagement rate. So i-average na natin yung lahat ng engagement rates from January to December, and that's how we compute for the 12-month average Vitality engagement rate. Malinaw po yung pagkaka-explain? Okay. So, paano yung mga bagong makukode na life planners this year? Siyempre, pwede pa rin po silang sumali. Provided that they need po yung ating number of in-force Vitality members per tier po kung saan ano yung tier na ina-aspire nila. So, in case of a tie, no, halimbawa, maraming nagka-tie, no, ano yung tiebreaker natin? We will use no, the percentage of gold and platinum members no, na meron kayo. So again, hindi sapat na nag-earn lang ng points yung clients nyo. Dapat i-make sure nyo rin na nag-achieve din sila ng higher Vitality status. No? Para kasi yun yung gagamitin natin as mentioned to break the tie. So again, and dahil ang award na to ay Vitality Engagement Champion, required din na si Life Planner ay dapat Vitality member din at merong Gold Vitality status. At least Gold Vitality status. So for the award, no, same dun sa kanina, individual awarding, one-night room stay, dinner seat, tsaka trophy. So yan po ang ating pangalawang award no, sa pinakol yung ating Vitality Engagement Champions. Question po? Yes po. Basta member po. Yes, counted po sa ating campaign.
Sa engagement.
Sa engagement po, tsaka dito din sa in-force, bibilangin din po natin.
Pero yung kanina, sa sale.
Sa sale po, yung kanina, IP po yun, integrated product. Yes po. Okay? So hindi pwedeng stand-alone. Yung sa kanina, yung sales champion, IP yun ha, hindi stand-alone. No? So hindi pwedeng stand-alone membership ng event, dapat integrated product. At nakalimutan kong banggitin, no? Because anniversary ng Vitality this year, no? We will be launching new Vitality integrated product this year. No? So abangan niyo po yan. I think we have a new one coming. Kung hindi ako nakakamali, May yata, no? May bagong product na ilo-launch na Vitality integrated. So abangan niyo po yan. Doon sa calendar ay parang 4 po ata na Vitality integrated products ang ilo-launch this year. So abangan na lang po ninyo. No? Okay. Questions po? Iba pa pong tanong sa award na to? Okay. The last campaign no, is our Ready, Set, Activate Member Onboarding Campaign. So take note to kung sa campaign po na to, no, this will run from March 1 to June 30, 2025. So tumatakbo na po to. This is open to everyone. No? So in this campaign, no, for every new AIA Vitality member, excluding stand-alone membership ulit. So IP na to, no? Who will be able to complete the following onboarding activities by July 15, 2025, the Life Planner will get 500 pesos GCash voucher. So, simple lang po ang kailangan nyo gawin. No? Tulungan nyo yung clients nyo na one, i-activate yung kanilang MyAIA account. Familiar naman po tayo sa MyAIA? Okay, di ba si MyAIA yun po yung ating customer portal. No? So, yung importante po yung MyAIA because yung username at password yun sa MyAIA, yan po yung gagamitin niyo sa Vitality. Second, engage. No? Dapat masagot nila yung how healthy are you assessment. No? So, importante po yan para mabilang dito. And then pangatlo, they need to link a fitness device or app to Vitality. So, meron tayong 6 no, na compatible devices and app sa Vitality. Napakasimple, no? I-link mo lang siya sa Vitality account, no? Pag nagawa itong tatlong to, no, you as the life planner will get 500 pesos GCash voucher. Okay, ganun lang. So, para i-assist lang natin si client, no? After sales, di ba? Turuan lang natin sila na mag-activate, mag-engage, at mag-link ng device, and then automatically, you will get the 500 pesos GCash voucher. Take each client to ha, each client. Yes. So the member must remain in force by the end of the campaign period not to be counted. And then yung crediting of prices natin will only happen no, after the campaign period. Kasi titignan natin kung buhay pa ba yung membership, no, nagawa ba yung lahat ng pinapagawa natin. So this is just a sample illustration no, kung paano ibibigay yung award. No? So basta check po yung tatlo, automatic you will get the 500 pesos GCash voucher. Okay, so yan po ang ating mga Vitality campaigns, the Vitality Sales Champion, the Vitality Engagement Champion, and the AIA Vitality Onboarding Campaign. Questions po? Okay, wala naman. So good news, no? Because we will be supporting you with new materials. No? So already available in the agency portal. So puntahan niyo po yung Vitality section ng agency portal. Meron na po diyang onboarding guide. So, yan pong onboarding guide, yun yung gagamitin nyo para turuan yung client nyo na mag-onboard sa Vitality. Meron din yung Journey to Gold. So, yung Journey to Gold, ano yan, parang kodigo para yung member nyo mag-move agad to Gold. And last but not the least, isang bagong-bagong Vitality Quick Client Presentation. So, maikli lang yan. 5 slides. With those 5 slides, ma-explain nyo na kung ano si Vitality. Sobrang daling intindihin po nung client presentation material na yan. So lahat ng tatlong to already available for download in the agency portal today. So bisitahin niyo na po yung Vitality section ng portal at i-download ang mga materials na yan. And we are also producing new how-to videos for Vitality. So abangan po yan. That will be available in April. And para po sa ating mga bagong pasok na life planners, so we are enhancing the Vitality training no, in Rapid as well as the e-learning no, for Vitality. Para kung nakalimutan na kung paano si Vitality, no, meron tayong updated training material no, na pwedeng nating balikan. Okay? So, that's it. No? So, again, this is just the beginning no, because we are celebrating our 10th year for Vitality. So, stay tuned for announcements. So, but before I leave, no, meron akong game, no? Just to test kung nakinig pa kayo sa aking discussion today. No? So, paunahan na lang po ha. So, yung unang makakapagbigay, makakapagtaas ng kamay, makakapagbigay ng tamang sagot, ay meron po akong simpleng premyo, no? Para sa inyo. Pero, pag nanalo na po, give chance to others na tayo, ha? Okay, ready na po? Start right? Yes! Pasensya na po sa nasa Zoom, no? Hindi na po natin ito isasama. Dito na lang muna tayo no, sa ating mga nandito sa venue. Okay, question number 1. Name the 4 matrices covered in the free AIA Vitality Health Check. Enumerate ko ito kanina. Ibigay yung 4 no, nakasama no, sa Vitality Health Check.
BMI, cholesterol,
blood pressure. Okay, correct. Ayan po. So, meron akong premyo. Ito, congratulations. Ayan. Kunin mo na. Okay. 2 more. I have 2 more questions. Okay. What status must a life planner achieve no, to qualify for the Vitality Engagement Champion Pinnacle Award? Gold status. Ayan. Congratulations. And last but not the least, no, name at least 2 compatible fitness devices or app to Vitality. Okay, so yan po. So, ito yung sagot natin, no? Fitbit, Garmin Polar, Apple Health, Samsung Health, tsaka Strava. Okay, so with that, maraming salamat, no, Starbright, for having me. Last na lang po, if you have any questions, please email our help desk ask@aiavitality.com.ph. Again, yan po yung help desk natin ha. Kung may mga katanungan, may reklamo, may inquiries sa Vitality, email us at ask@aiavitality.com.ph. So thank you everyone. Maraming salamat, Starbright.
Alright, thank you very much, Sir Ron, for your updates for Vitality. So, mas nadami ba yung attend sa Pinnacle from Starbright for this year, for next year, no?
Nasa ka ba yung member ng Vitality?
Yes!
Nasa ka ba yung DAPS ng Vitality? Sige, I dare you. Okay, so, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's welcome our guest speaker for today. So, ang guest speaker natin ay sino ba, Ms. Marla?
Okay. She's an agency manager of Xenia Financial. Zenaya, okay.
She is also coded since March 2014.
Four-time MDRT.
One-time Centurion Club Gold member.
Multiple year Gamma, FLA, and IMA award.